I do think that a toilet is a necessary component. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are working on our composting toilet that we are making ourselves. Ken has started a lot on his own. He built a box and got a bucket and cut a hole in the top, and I already bought the urine diverter a while ago, so we are securing that to the lid and hopefully we can figure out the rest as we go. He already polyurethaned the wood so it should be waterproof. He sealed the inside, so a lot of it's done, just a few more things to do. Ken is drilling holes to accommodate some lifted areas that are on the urine diverter. The urine diverter came with a foam top that covered these lifted areas, but since we are mounting it from underneath, we needed a way to accommodate these holes. We in the front.
Yeah.
Who in the back?
Ooh, it's hot.
Where'd the bucket come from? I'll hold the poop.
Not all your poop.
Hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa now. Because we are attaching the urine diverter from the bottom as opposed to the top the way it was intended, we had to just drill random holes into the bottom to attach. The ice cream man also showed up.
I just drooled on my toilet.
You drooled on it?
See the sides sticking out.
The sides of the urine diverter were still a little bit too big for the box, so we had to take off the urine diverter, and then as you'll see, we'll cut the sides of the urine diverter down.
You're dying.
Alright, so we bought a toilet seat, and we bought soft clothes, but then we realized that we needed to take soft clothes off because we're going to attach the seat straight to the box. So I took off the bumpers, which are in here. Literally, it was super easy. I just took a pair of needle nose pliers and just pulled them off. They came off super easy. And now we're going to try and drill into the back and just put a hinge on, not the big one. This small hinge here. So that way we can have it all flat and glue it in silicone so it's watertight. Well, it is.
Yeah, see if it opens. Or continue.
Then we decided to fill the holes we created to accommodate the lifted area of the urine diverter with wood filler. We're putting a layer of plastic wrap onto the seat because what we're going to do is put this adhesive sealant a little bead around here, which will allow this to be watertight. So that way if it was in the shower or to get wet, it's not going to leak down into the box. And it also, I think, will help smells stay into the contraption. I'm just nervous. I think it's okay. Just some hand strength, that's what I'm really out of. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna put it down.
What does this do?
This sealant won't stick to the plastic.
So what are we shutting it for?
So that we make sure it's even around the whole thing against the toilet seat. So we want it to mold to this so it's waterproof. I don't think you're supposed to lift it up until it's done though.
Dry it.
No, it doesn't stick to this, that's why I put it down. again.
Yes, boss.
Alright, now you gotta line it up and flip it over. Okay, maybe I'll hold them together.
Right there. Can you open it and check or no? Hole is
Here, just hold the plastic because you could.
good. Okay, looks good.
The Wii's gonna make it in the Wii.
Sure.
Can't see.
Go.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna grab those clamps. Yeah, one more from the front.
Okay. Soon to be toilet.
Nice.
Okay, this is my toilet. We haven't checked it out yet, but we're gonna check it out right now.
Your toilet.
Yeah, my toilet. You're against the toilet. So just remember, it's my toilet.
Poop in the toilet.
We're gonna clean it. Alright, that turned out pretty good. It's a little tacky still. Oh, see, it's not on there.
Come on.
Oh wait, just kidding. The whole thing lifts up.
Is the seat attached pretty well?
I think so. I can feel where I put the glue though here. It didn't get it in the front.
Lift it up.
But it got in the back and the side, so it's holding on there.
Shut the lid. See how it's.
We'll go against the wall. Let me just try it out here.
See your poop face.
It's pretty comfy. Would you like to try it?
Okay.
Yeah, I think you know. We gotta get a new collector bin for the pee jug. I'm just gonna add some rubber stoppers on the bottom so it's not sitting on the bottom of the shower. Collecting water. Can you tilt it for me so I can see it?
It's a little wobbly. Be bad wood.
There's a little better. Can you put it in the van so you can see what it looks like? Here it comes. Is it heavy? This is a real test.
Not much room for a shower.
No. Ugh. There's water in here.
Oh, it's because you ran in the shower. I'm around the downslope.
Nope, I'm still gonna get in here and sit on it. Excuse me, I have some business to do.
Woo! Thanks.
Shut up.
Flush. Where are you gonna keep your teepee? Cabinet?
In the closet. Maybe I could put it right under
Looking
here.
for a closet. I don't see
And
it.
then this right in here. So I can reach it in case I forget it. Or I could put it in the Fodor. Not Hodor, Fodor. Miss Game of Thrones. For all you Game of Thrones fans out there, you know what I'm talking about right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to watch Game of Thrones. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications when we post new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.